Off of work. Headed over to Jefe Motorchicles. Okay, chewing anything when wearing a helmet? Not a very good idea. Not a very good idea at all. I mean, you bite your cheeks. Come on, music, come on, music, come on, music. I need to put music. Come on, music. Am I gonna make it? Am I gonna make it? Ooh, Disturbed. Alright, now that I'm feeling a little bit better, had my little cough drop, I sound better, I feel better, I can breathe. Bro, look at all this space. Anyways, now that I can actually breathe and talk and everything, okay, maybe not talk, but everything else is pretty good. Going over to GP Motorcycles to grab a part for the Ducati. What are you doing? Seriously? Come on. Why is everybody like not working with me today? Everyone's just not letting me lane split. Going over to GP Motorcycles to pick up a part for my bike. God, I've been trying to say that for the past 5 minutes. Because if you remember, it was sputtering at the track in my last video. Did you just forget your blinker, or what's going on? Are you gonna actually turning, or no? You're just, yeah, you're just stupid. And you're by yourself in the carpool lane. $481 minimum fine if you're caught by yourself and you're stupid. After a long day of tedious and boring work, I'm gonna try to fix the Ducati. Oh God, I hope that's the problem. The Ducati started sputtering pretty badly on the track, and I decided to, you know, rip it apart and take a look at what's wrong with it. Well, I figured out that there are 2 fuel lines going, I guess, to each cylinder, to each set of fuel injectors. If you don't know what I'm saying, bear with me or skip a few seconds ahead. But there's 2 fuel lines going to each cylinder. One of the fuel lines, the hose, at the end of the hose has a plastic little piece that clips into the tank. There's like a little hole and a little nipple thing, and it goes inside, it goes click, and then that's how you have fuel. The plastic bit broke off, and I think that's what was causing my sputtering issue. It was lack of fuel. So that would explain why if you take it easy on the throttle, it would go, it would work, it would idle perfectly, but if you give it a little bit more throttle, it would just like not want to go, and it'd be like bugging out. So I think that that's the problem. Oh, dying. God, this traffic blows. I don't know how people do the driving. So annoying to be sitting in the traffic. Nobody do the like in the traffic. Oh man, nobody like that boost. There it is. The Jefe Motorchicles. Ooh. That's a track bike. Wow. Oh, I love the smell of this place. The desert sled. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Help me fix my Ducati. You're my only hope.
What's going on with you, Charlie?
This is called a male barb.
That sounds fun.
It sounds very fun. That's what's broken. Gonna try to fix it, hopefully. So these 2 things and the 2 clamps, guess how much it was? $83. Damn it. Why do I always have bikes that are expensive to fix? What the hell? Let's head home and try to fix this thing and see if that's the problem. Where's this go to? I wonder where this goes. I hope it's not too bad. Oh crap, this is getting bad. Yeah, this is a single track. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no, this is getting bad. This is getting bad. Screw it, let's go. Yeah. There we go. Not bad. That wasn't bad at all. It just spit me out on the road, that's all. This is nice since I actually live here, so this is good. That was sick. Alright. There's... oh god, it smells like gas in here so bad. So let me show you exactly what happened. See these connections? They're plastic and they're old and they're brittle, and this thing actually ended up breaking. See? Boop. That's not supposed to do that. So I bought replacement metal ones and I'm gonna install them and see if that solves the problem. Okay, be right back. So what we're gonna do is replace this thing that broke off. Applying these parts. 2 little clamps, 2 of these little bits, so we can replace both of these because these are freaking plastic and this one broke off. So let's go ahead and replace those. Yeah. Before we start doing any kinds of work whatsoever, first things first, beer. We have to have some beer. Wow, the lighting sucks. We need some better lighting. Haha, look at that. Nice. Okay, so we're going to be replacing these little bobbly head thingies. Oh, that just spilled fuel on me. Great, now my garage smells like even more fuel. The new hotness right here. Why is it pointed down so much? This is the new hotness right here. Oh, it's so much easier to slide in. That's what he said. Ha. Yeah. 1 down, 1 to go. Ah, more fuel. Maybe I should have worn gloves. Too late now. There you have it. There it is. They're both replaced. They're both metal. Should clip right into the tank now. Let's throw the tank on and see what happens. Also, don't forget to drink your beer. It's mandatory to drink beer while working on your motorcycle. It's mandatory. Alright, let's throw this tank on now. Ah, it's full of fuel, of course. Maybe I should have taken the bolt out of the thing first. Yeah, hold on. See, there's a bolt right there that I need to where the tank is. Yeah, hold on. All right, so installed that. Now the tank is somewhat good, but sadly this is what happened because all the fuel leaked out, and now I've got that. Now let's throw the seat back on. Should be good. Yeah!
Yeah. All right, let's test it out.
If you're thinking, oh Boris, you just drank beer and now you're gonna ride a bike. Okay, look. I only drank like 2 sips of the beer, so it's like I can't even feel it. Don't even trip. But we need to test it out. And what better way to test it out than a test ride? Now I can't go too far, and I can't really go on the main roads because this bike is not street legal. I don't have a license plate, headlights, taillights, turn signals, insurance, any of that good stuff. So it's gonna have to be quick. It's so weird wearing like normal clothing with this bike. Usually I wear a full suit. So far so good. It sounds like it's fixed. It's a little bit better. It's a little bit better. Nope, still being stupid. See, if you like touch it a little bit, it'll be fine. But as soon as you give it a little handful of throttle, it doesn't want to. It doesn't. No, damn it! That didn't solve the problem. Damn it! I just spent $80 and it did not solve the problem. Nope. Alright, back to the house. Ducati. See, look. Yeah, it doesn't want to go heavy throttle. It'll go quick if you like feather the throttle, but if you go hard on the throttle, it's not going to do anything. Hi doggies. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, was a epic failure. What am I gonna do with you? Take you to an actual professional motorcycle repair? Seems like I'm gonna have to do that.